Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can install Go in our system. So I have my Windows system and I will also show you how we can install it in the Mac also. So let's first see if Go is installed in my laptop or not. So currently it is showing Go is not recognized as an internal or external command. So it doesn't recognize the Go command because the Go is not installed in our system. So first we go into our browser and just type Go download, and when we search it, we will see the first link, the official link, which is go.dev/doc/install. So when you click on this link, a new page will open and it will show a big download button. So when you click on this download button, you will redirect to a new page. Here you can see your window version, means for which you want to install it. So for me it is window. So just I will click on this, and the Go version will start. So you can see here it starts downloading. So I just pause it because I have already downloaded the Go this package. So I will show you in my download manager. I have this Go download which I have downloaded few minutes ago, just to save the time of this video. So just click on this. It is preparing to install. Okay. So when it will open, you just click on the next, again next, and it will show the means file system where you want to install it. For me it is go, C program files and then Go, which is fine to me, and I just click on the install button. So you can see the status here. So let's wait. Okay, so it will ask the permission. So I just said yes. Validating installs. Okay, just validation phase. So Go 1.20 is the latest version currently. So I am downloading that version only. So there are a few more steps after it. I will show you. Just wait for it. Okay, so it is installed now. So just I click on the finish button. So when I will go directly into my PC and local disk C. If you go, we just mention the path in the program files, so it will be there. So you can see there is a folder Go, and we have all the files Go which is related to the installation. So we just go to the bin file and just copy the path. So I just copied it. Okay, and after this I just click on window button on my keyboard and just type edit system environment variables. So I just click on it, and when you click on it you will see another window which called system properties, and you just so when you click on the environment variables, you will see a new window. Now you will search for the path in the system variables and just click on the edit button that you can see below. And when you click on edit, and you just create a new environment variable and paste it the path that we have copied and click OK. Again OK, and again OK. Now we will see in our terminal. Okay, just to open the terminal again, and we just run the command again, go version. So yes, so Now you can see it is recognizing the command at least. Before it is not recognizing the command also. So we just remove the hyphen. So you will see now Go version Go 1.20 installed. So we have downloaded the same version. If you see, it is again Go 1.20, and we have successfully downloaded the Go 1.20 version. So yeah, that's it. We have downloaded it successfully. So for now, I don't have the Mac system, but I will tell you the steps which we can follow to download the Go in Mac, and just click, just search for the pre-install Go. So we will see a official website of the home group. So we just click on this, and we just see the formula which we need to run on the terminal, which will download the Go in our system. So we just need to copy this command and run in our terminal. It will it will install the Go and also set the path into your Mac system. So you don't need to do anything. It will do out of the box everything. So yeah, by this way you can install the Go in your Mac also.